Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rebuild this Snap-on CTB8185 battery. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so this is the battery management system, and these are the cells. We're gonna take out these old nickel strips and remove the old cells and replace it with a new one. So this is the temperature sensor. We need to remove this gently. Now we can remove the old cell. Just remember, before removing the old cell, to the left and the right is going to be the positive side of the cell, facing this way. Next, we're going to remove the old nickel strips. To make this easier, we're going to add a little bit of flux. You can always add a little bit of fresh solder to get this going. Next, we're gonna remove the old solder. Next, we're gonna clean this BMS a little bit with 99% isopropyl alcohol. You can just tap it, leave a little bit of alcohol on the circuit board just for a few seconds. It makes the cleaning a little bit easier. All right, that's good enough. Now, next we're gonna install the new cells. So we are replacing the old cell with these new Samsung 1865025R, which is 2500 milliamp hour. The most important thing before installing new batteries is you got to make sure they're balanced. That means their voltage has to be about the same and their IR. So let's check that. So we got 3.5, 12.7 milliohm. So the rest of them should be about the same. Okay, they're good. Next, we're going to install these insulation rings on the positive side of the battery. So this is how the original BMS sits in here. So as you remember, this side, the left and the right, is going to be positive. So as you can see, this side is positive and this side is positive. All right. Actually, one thing we got to do is we have to put some silicone between the cells so the cells are solid, they don't move around. Okay, now we can put the original BMS back and install the new nickel strip. Now, this is the original nickel strip. This is how it looks like. These are hard to find, so I just built them from regular nickel strip, 0.2 millimeter, and this is how they look like. So now we can solder the nickel strips to the battery management system. We'll put a little bit of flux. We'll do a final cleanup. All right, now we're ready to spot weld. Okay, now we can put the temperature sensor back in its place. All right, now we put it in the original case. All right, next we're gonna make sure it actually charges, which it does. So I'm gonna pause the video, let it charge, and then we're gonna check the voltage. All right, so this is charged. So let's check out the voltage. So we got 20.8 volts and 37 milliohm, which is perfect. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and the links to all the products that I used are in the description below.